In today's threatscape, anti-malware software provides little peace of mind. In fact, anti-malware scanners are horrifically inaccurate, especially with exploits less than 24 hours old. Malicious hackers and malware can change their tactics at will. Swap a few bytes around, and a previously recognized malware program becomes unrecognizable. All you have to do is drop off any suspected malware file at Google's Virus Total, which has over 60 different anti-malware scanners. 15 signs your computer has been hacked. 1. You get a ransomware message. One of the worst messages anyone can see on their computer is a sudden screen takeover telling them all their data is encrypted and asking for a payment to unlock it. Ransomware is huge. After a slight decrease in activity in 2017, ransom-asking programs have come roaring back. Billions of dollars in productivity is being lost and billions in ransom are being paid. Small businesses, large businesses, hospitals, police stations and entire cities are being brought to a halt by ransomware. About 50% of the victims pay the ransom, ensuring that it is not going away anytime soon. 2. You get a fake antivirus message. You get a pop-up message on your computer or mobile device that it is infected. The pop-up message pretends to be an antivirus scanning product and is purporting to have found a dozen or more malware infections on your computer. Although this is not near as popular as it used to be, fake antivirus warning messages are still a situation that has to be dealt with in the right way. They can occur because of two reasons: either your system is already compromised or it is not compromised beyond the pop-up message. Hope for the latter. These types of fake antivirus messages usually have figured out a way to lock up your browser so that you cannot get out of the fake message without killing the browser and restarting it. What to do? If you get lucky, you can close the tab and restart the browser and everything is fine. The fake message doesn't show back up. It was a one-time fluke. Most of the time you'll be forced to kill the browser. Restarting it sometimes reloads the original page that forced the fake ad onto you, so you get the fake AV ad again. If this happens, restart your browser in incognito or in private mode, and you can browse to a different page and stop the fake AV message from appearing. 3. You have unwanted browser toolbars. This is a common sign of exploitation. Your browser has multiple new toolbars with names that seem to indicate the toolbar is supposed to help you. Unless you recognize the toolbar as coming from a well-known vendor, it's time to dump the bogus toolbar. What to do? Most browsers allow you to review installed and active toolbars. Remove any you didn't want to install. When in doubt, remove it. If the bogus toolbar isn't listed there or you can't easily remove it, see if your browser has an option to reset the browser back to its default settings. If this doesn't work, follow the instructions listed above for fake antivirus messages. 4. Your internet searches are redirected. Many hackers make their living by redirecting your browser somewhere you don't want to go. The hacker gets paid by getting your clicks to appear on someone else's website. They often don't know that the clicks to their site are from malicious redirection. You can often spot this type of malware by typing a few related, very common words, for example, puppy or goldfish, into internet search engines and checking to see whether the same websites appear in the results, as almost always with no relevance to your terms. Unfortunately, many of today's redirected internet searches are well hidden from the user through use of additional proxies, so the bogus results are never returned to alert the user. What to do? Follow the same instructions as for removing bogus toolbars and programs. Usually this is enough to get rid of malicious redirection. 5. You see frequent, random pop-ups. This popular sign that you've been hacked is also one of the more annoying ones. When you're getting random browser pop-ups from websites that don't normally generate them, your system has been compromised. I'm constantly amazed by which websites, legitimate and otherwise, can bypass your browser's anti-pop-up mechanisms. It's like battling email spam, but worse. What to do? Not to sound like a broken record, but typically random pop-ups are generated by one of the three previous malicious mechanisms noted above. You'll need to get rid of bogus toolbars and other programs if you even hope to get rid of the pop-ups. 6. Your friends receive social media invitations from you that you didn't send. We have all seen this one before. Either you or your friends receive invitations to a circumflex euro of a friend a circumflex euro when you are already connected friends on that social media site. Usually, you are thinking, why are they inviting me again? Did they unfriend me and I didn't notice, and now they are re-inviting me, a circumflex euro? Then you notice the new friend as social media site is devoid of other recognizable friends, or maybe just a few, and none of the older posts. What to do? First, warn other friends not to accept the unexpected friend request. Say something like, do not accept that new invitation from Bridget. I think shall hacked. Then contact Bridget some other way to confirm. Spread the news in your common social media circles. 10. Your online account is missing money. I mean lots of money. Online bad guys don't usually steal a little money. They like to transfer everything or nearly everything, often to a foreign exchange or bank. Usually it begins by your computer being compromised or from you responding to a fake fish from your bank or stock trading company. The bad guys log on to your account, change your contact information, and transfer large sums of money to themselves. What to do? In most cases you are in luck because most financial institutions will replace the stolen funds, especially if they can stop the transaction before the damage is truly done. However, there have been cases where the courts have ruled it was the customer's responsibility not to be hacked, and it's up to the financial institution to decide whether they will make restitution to you.